legs up the wall, Ripta Carini, that you can find. It's vintage as well. A lot of vintage video plugs today. Get those feet up. I'll stop talking and we'll take a rest here for a couple minutes together, allowing the hands to rest gently somewhere on the body. You can always pillow the head. We'll rest the heart, rest the shoulders, close the eyes, take a deep inhale, and allow your body to relax and release. But now we'll see if Benji's gonna share this blanket with me. I'm thinking maybe no, but let's see. If you can, let's get to a wall. Let's get to a place where we can put a little blanket or pull the mat up to the wall. You wanna come here? Wanna trade? You'll be so glad, I think, to experiment with this posture and bring it into your life. Many of you already do it, I know. So get the hips up towards the wall. There's actually a whole video too on trade spots. Here, Benji, you wanna come here? Here. No, this one's mine. You take this one. Yeah. All right, so pull your mat up to the wall. Many of you know this, or a little blanket up to the wall. The hardest part is getting situated